Welcome students. Today we will learn the division of algebraic expression. So in that first one we will learn dividing a monomial by another monomial. So how we will do, what we will do now in that one, this rule we will follow. Division of a monomial by another monomial is equal to division of their coefficients, numeral coefficients multiplied by division of their literal coefficients. This is the rule that we are going to follow. So how we can divide a monomial by another monomial? That's equal to division of their numerical coefficients multiplied by division of their literal coefficients. Let us see the example. So first question from the exercise 11D. From that first question, divide minus 70a cube by which number? 14a square. That is the question. So first what we have to do, we have to divide the numeral coefficient. So to find out this, what we have to do, which are the numerical coefficients in this one? The first question you can see here, minus 70 is the numerical coefficient in the dividend and 14 is the numerical coefficient in the divisor. So that you have to divide first. Okay. So that's equal to minus 70 divided by 14. Then what we have to do, multiplied by division of their literal coefficients. So which are the literal coefficients of over here? Here it is a cube and in the divisor it is a square. So that we have to divide. So this will be equal to a cube divided by a square will come. Okay. Now this you divide, how much you will get? 14. How many times will go in 70? 14 into 5, 70, isn't it? So it will go 5 times. Negative sign is there. So negative 5 multiplied by a cube by a square. How we can find out? A raised to 3 minus 2, isn't it? So that will be equal to minus 5a. That is a required answer. Now we will do the second question from the same set. It will make more clear for you. So what is the second question? Second question is given as 24 x cube y cube divided by minus 8 y square. Okay. So first we have to divide the numerical coefficient, isn't it? So 24 by minus 8 into, how we can write here, into, here x cube is there only in the dividend. It is not there in the divisor. So we can write that x cube into, then y cube and y square is there in the, so here this we can write as y cube y square. Okay, like this we can write. Now what will be 24 by minus 8? Negative 3 will come multiplied by x cube. Nothing we have to do. So like that itself we can write multiplied by y cube by y square means y raised to 3 minus 2 will come. So that's equal to minus 3 x cube y. Hope it is clear. Now next we will move to sixth question from the exercise. It is a sixth question. Sixth question, it is given that 8x minus 10y plus 6c we have to divide by 2, isn't it? Divide by 2. So here you can see 3 terms are there. So how we can divide that by 2? Divide each and every term by these 2. So this we can write as 8x by 2 minus 10y by 2 plus 6c by 2. Okay. So that's equal to 4x minus 5y plus 3c. So that is the answer for that one. Now we will move to seventh question. So which is a method we followed over here in sixth one. We divided each term of the polynomial by the monomial. Then simplify. That is the method here we have to follow in sixth one. Seventh one also same type. So seventh question, you can see 15 a cube b raised to 4 minus 10 a raised to 4 b cube minus 25 a cube b raised to 6 whole divided by minus 5 a cube b square. So to divide this polynomial by this monomial, what we have to do? We have to divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial and then simplify. That is the method. Okay. So how we can write this one? This will be equal to, first term of the polynomial is 15 a cube b raised to 4 divided by minus 5 a cube b square minus 10 a raised to 4 b cube divided by minus 5 a cube b square minus 25 a cube b raised to 6 divided by minus 5 a cube b square. Okay, so this will be equal to, now you can divide the numerical coefficients and the literal coefficients. So this will be equal to minus 3. Here a cube and a cube will cancel. B raised to 4 minus b square, you will get b square. Here this minus and minus will get cancelled and it will become positive. 10 by 5, 2 will come. A raised to 4 minus a cube. So a raised to 1 will come. B cube minus 2 means b will come. Plus 2ab. Here also minus into minus will become positive. Then 25 by 5, 5. A cube minus a raised to 3 minus 3 will come, isn't it? So that a raised to 0. A raised to 0 means 1. Then b raised to 6 minus b raised to 2. How much you will get? B raised to 4 will come. So our answer is minus 3b square plus 2ab plus 5b raised to 4. Hope it is clear for all. Next we will learn how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. So here we have to follow certain steps. First one, what we have to do now, arrange the terms of the divisor as well as the dividend in ascending or descending powers of their literal coefficients. Okay, so here here already x square x, then constant term, that means it is in descending powers. Okay, here also here is the power 1, here constant term means it is in descending order, so no need of rearrangement for this question. Okay, in some cases this x square may give at the end and x may be in the beginning. So in that case you have to first rearrange. How to rearrange? Arrange the terms of the divisor as well as the dividend in ascending or descending powers of their literal coefficients. That is the first step. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to arrange it for division. So as usual for normal division, how we will arrange, like that itself we have to do. So x square plus 3x minus 54 divided by, like this we will draw now. For division like this we will arrange. So divided by x minus 6. That itself next we have to do. Now we will write the quotient on the top. Otherwise you can draw one line over here like this. So one semi-arc or like that you can write over here and you can write a quotient over here. So which one is convenient for you, that way you choose. Anyway I am writing the quotient on the top itself as usual. So here now x square plus 3x minus 54 is the dividend and x minus 6 is the divisor. Now what we have to do now, next step, divide the first term in the dividend by the first term in the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. Okay, so here what is which is the first term in the dividend? Here x square is the first term in the dividend and x is the first term in the divisor. So what you have to do? Divide the first term in the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Then if you divide, what you will get? The first term in the quotient you will get. So x square by x, how much you will get? X is answer. So that is the first term in the quotient, means here you can write that x in the quotient. Now what you have to do now, next step, multiply the complete divisor by the quotient and subtract. So here complete divisor is x minus 6, isn't it? So by this quotient we are having x now. So with that x, multiply the complete divisor means x minus 6. Okay. So multiply this one, what you will get? X square minus 6x. This x square minus 6x you have to write here. X square minus 6x. Now you have to subtract. When you are subtracting, what will happen is x square and x square will get cancelled, and here it will become positive, isn't it? So this will become 9x, isn't it? So 9x, then minus 54, here nothing is there, so we can assume that here is 0. So minus 54, like that itself will bring down. Okay, so like this we will get. Now we got the remainder as 9x minus 54. Now what we have to do now, use the remainder as the new dividend. So here 9x minus 54 will be the new dividend, and repeat the steps again. So what we have to do, so here you can see 9x is the first term in the dividend. So that 9x should be divided by first term in the divisor, means x. So how much you are getting? 9 you are getting. That is the next term in the quotient. Okay, so here you can write plus 9. Now what you have to do, with this 9 you have to multiply the complete divisor. So 9 into x minus 6 will come. So that's equal to 9x minus 54. Okay, so that you can write over here 9x minus 54. Take the difference, you will get 0, isn't it? So what is the answer? What is the quotient? X plus 9. So the answer is x plus 9. Therefore, answer is equal to x plus 9. Hope it is clear. Now next we will move to question number 13. Question number 13. In that, two polynomials are given there. So directly we can arrange for division, isn't it? So 6x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 30 divided by 2x square minus x minus 6. Here again in descending powers. Okay, so no need of rearrangement. Cube, square, then power is 1, then no term, constant term. So here square, 1 and constant term. So no need of rearrangement in this. Now next step onwards we have to do, what we have to do? The first term of the dividend. Here what is the first term of the dividend? 6x cube. That should be divided by the first term of the divisor. So how much you will get? 6x cube by 2x square. So 3x, that is the first term in the quotient. Okay, so you will get 3x over here as the first term. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply the entire divisor by the quotient. So 3x into 2x square minus x minus 6. So that's equal to 6x cube minus 3x square minus 18x, isn't it? So that will be this algebraic expression we have to write here, and we have to subtract. So 6x cube minus 3x square minus 18x. Now take the difference. How to take the difference of two algebraic expressions? We have to change the sign and add. Okay. So when we are changing the sign, it will become minus, then it will become plus, and this will become plus. Okay. Now you add. So this will cancel and go. This will be minus 10x square and this will be plus 5x, isn't it? 5x, then this 30 you have to bring down, plus 30. Now repeat the same process here, which is the first term in the dividend. Now this is a new dividend, isn't it? So here the first term minus 10x square and the first term here is minus 2x square. So what we have to do? We have to divide the first term in the dividend by the first term in the divisor. So this is equal to minus 5. Okay. So we can write minus 5 in the quotient. So minus 5. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply the minus 5 with the entire divisor. So 2x square minus x minus 6. So that's equal to minus 10x square plus 5x plus 30. So that you have to write here. So this will be minus 10x square plus 5x plus 30. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract this one, isn't it? So how to subtract? Change the sign of the number to be subtracted and add. That is the rule that we are following here. So first one will become plus, then second one will become minus, and this one will become minus. Okay. Now you take the difference. How much you will get? 0 you will get, isn't it? So how much will be the answer? 3x minus 5. So the answer is equal to 3x minus 5. Hope it is clear for all. The remaining questions from the exercise, that first set only, you have to do as homework. Thank you.